Let today we will continue the application of Ampere circuital law. The second application of Ampere circuital law is magnetic field due to a long current carrying solenoid. Then first you know what is solenoid. All of you see the spring which is used in cycle, bike, etc. The solenoid is also in the same shape. So how can we define the solenoid? A long coil of wire consisting of closely packed loops is called solenoid. The word solenoid is Greek word. It means tube-like. Magnetic field inside the solenoid is uniform and parallel to the solenoid axis. Magnetic field outside the solenoid is very small, almost zero, because it is spread out into vast space. To find the expression for the magnetic field inside the solenoid, let we consider I equal to current passing through solenoid, small n equal to number of turns per unit length, B equal to magnitude of magnetic field inside the solenoid. In the solenoid, we took a square path which each side is L. Using Ampere circuital law, the closed path PQRSP, the line integral of magnetic field B over the closed path is sum of the line integral of the all four sides of the square or the rectangular path. Since we can write integration over closed surface, vector B dot vector dl equal to integration P to Q vector B dot dl plus integration Q to R vector B dot vector dl plus integration R to S vector B dot vector dl equal to plus integration S to P vector B dot vector dl. Now integration P to Q vector B dot vector dl equal to integration P to Q B dl cos 0 equal to BL, and integration Q to R vector B dot dl equal to integration S to P vector B dot dl equal to 0, because in both the path the angle between vector B and vector dl equal to 90 degree. So cos 90 equal to 0. So the line integral of these two paths is also 0. Now also integration r to s vector b dot vector dl equal to 0, because this path is out of the solenoid, and since we know that the outside the solenoid is very small, that is almost 0. Therefore, integration over closed surface vector b dot vector dl equal to bl. It is our equation 1. But according to Ampere's circuital law, integration over closed path vector b dot vector dl equal to mu naught into current enclosed by closed path, that is PQRSP, equal to mu naught into number of turns in PQRSP into I, because I amount of current flow from the each coil. Then how much number of coils present in the path PQRSP, or integration over closed surface vector b dot vector dl equal to mu naught into small n into L into I. It is our equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we can write BL equal to mu naught into NLI, or L cancel out, so we can write B equal to mu naught Ni. It is our equation 3. This equation tells that magnetic field does not depend upon the length of the solenoid, that is, magnetic field inside the solenoid is uniform. Second point is, if solenoid is made of iron core of relative permeability mu r, then the above equation becomes B equal to mu naught mu r Ni, or B equal to mu Ni, since mu equal to mu naught into mu r. Third point is, near the edge of an air core solenoid, magnitude of magnetic field is half of the inside the air core solenoid, that is B equal to 1/2 mu naught Ni. It's all for